On Friday, New York City experienced severe rainfall, resulting in flash floods that disrupted subway services, submerged ground-level apartments, and transformed some streets into miniature lakes. The flooding also forced the temporary closure of a terminal at LaGuardia Airport, marking one of the city's wettest days in decades. John F. Kennedy International Airport was particularly impacted, receiving a record-breaking 7.97 inches of rain, a daily record dating back to 1948, according to Fox Weather. By 1 p.m. on Friday, a website monitoring airport traffic reported that 44 flights were delayed and 50 others were canceled at LaGuardia Airport. This recent deluge followed heavy downpours and strong winds from the remnants of Tropical Storm Ophelia last weekend, which had soaked New York City and caused widespread power outages in North Carolina, Virginia, Pennsylvania, and New Jersey. The intermittent rain throughout the week had already saturated the ground in New York, creating conditions conducive to flash flooding. An Instagram video depicted significant flooding in Park Slope, Brooklyn, where a whirlpool formed in the middle of the street. According to weather forecasters speaking to Reuters, some parts of the United States' most populous city received nearly 8 inches, 20 centimeters of rain. They also warned that the region might see an additional few inches of rainfall before the storm system moved out to sea.
Oh man. Apartment here in Brooklyn. Giant tree. It's a very old tree, like 100 years old.
Fortunately, authorities reported no fatalities or injuries as a result of the rain-related incidents. However, city officials did receive reports of 6 basement apartments being flooded on Friday, with all occupants safely rescued.
This is fucking insane. Holy shit. Look at this. This is like...
I want to see your face. Oh my God. Should we FaceTime Maria?
Brooklyn gets stuck. Pretty windy Brooklyn. Look at this beach and the what? And the oh yeah. To laugh, yeah.